Welcome to our video lesson on opposites. Please make sure you fill out your guided note while you're doing this lesson and make sure you understand because it is your responsibility to explain it to your partner. If you have any questions throughout, please feel free to raise your hand or pause and rewind it. Let's get started. I need you to write down your guess, it's just a guess, you don't need to know the right answer, of what opposite integers are. Write it down on your guided note at the top. Click pause while you're writing it, and when you're ready, click play to continue. Okay, now that you have your guess, let's look at the next thing. Opposites are two numbers that are the same distance from zero on a number line, but in opposite directions. Make sure you filled in those keywords on your guided note. Let's look at some examples. Here we have 3. So I've plotted 3 on our number line. And an opposite is the same distance from 0. So to find the opposite of 3, we need to figure out how far 3 is from 0. And 3 is 1, 2, 3 spots from 0. The opposite of 3 will be the same distance but in the opposite direction. So we start at 0 and we go 3. We start at 0 and we go 3, 1, 2, 3 the other way. So the opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. Please make sure you've got all that written down. Okay, let's do the same with negative 7. Negative 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces from 0. And it's going this way. So now we need to go in the opposite direction and see what number is 7 spaces from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number that is 7 spaces from 0 is positive 7. Maybe you're noticing something about opposites and the number values. Take a look at them. The opposite of 4. Okay, one last time. We need to count the distance from 4 to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the opposite will be in the opposite direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Our opposite of 4 is negative 4. What do you notice about numbers and their opposites? Hopefully you notice that they are the same number. They're always the same number, but with opposite signs. So opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. You need to find the opposites of these numbers and write them down on your guided note. Once you finish that, I have a challenge problem for you. What do you think the opposite? What is the opposite of 0? Okay, do all that in your guided note. I'll see you later.